Assalamu alaikum. It's my pleasure to introduce myself in front of you. I am Shoriful Islam and I am from Tangail. My educational background is I completed secondary school certificate from Polish Lines Ideal High School in 2014 with GPA 5, and I also completed higher secondary certificate from Major General Mahmudul Hassan Ideal College in 2016 with GPA 4.75, and I have a little bit knowledge in programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. And I know how to work in Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, etc. I am a good problem solver and I have many tasks in programming language and many problem solve in URI language. When I was in college, I have to many project about web design, and now I am a member of a computer programming club. My hobby is traveling and I desire learn something. That's it. So thank you very much for watching my video resume.